An engineer is enabling port security on a Cisco MD series switch. Which feature of enabling port security on a Cisco MD series switch must be considered? Option A. It can be distributed by using Cisco Fabric services. Option B. It authorizes only the configured SWWN to participate in the fabric. Option C. It always learns about switches that are logging in. Option D. It binds the fabric at the switch level. The correct answer is option A. Drag-drop. A network engineer must implement back on Cisco MD series multi-layer switches. Drag and drop the Cisco MD series roles from the left onto the correct categories on the right. Select and place image. An engineer must configure back in Cisco UCS Manager in an existing data center environment. Which two roles can be used to configure LAN connectivity policies? Choose two. Option A. Server profile. Option B. Network admin. Option C. Operations. Option D. Enable. Option E. Admin. The correct answer is option B. An engineer has a primary fabric that is named UCSA and a secondary fabric that is named UCSB. A certificate request that has a subject name of SJC for a keyring that is named KR needs to be created. The cluster IP address is, which command set creates this certificate request? Option A. UCS a hash scope keyring KR 2016 UXA/keyring hash create certificate 10.68.68.68 SJC 2016 UXA/keyring hash commit buffer. Option B. UCSB hash scope keyring KR 2016 UXB/keyring hash create certificate IP 10.68.68.68 subject name SJC 2016 UCSB/keyring hash commit both. Option C. UCSB hash scope security UXB/security hash scope keyring KR 2016 UXB/security/keyring hash set certificate 10.68.68.68 SJC 2016 UXB/security/keyring hash commit both. Option D. UCSA hash scope security UXA/security hash scope keyring KR 2016 UXA/security/keyring hash create certificate IP 10.68.68.68 subject name SJC 2016 UCS/security/keyring hash commit buffer. The correct answer is option D. What is a feature of NFS? Option A. Zone-based access control. Option B. Kerberos-based security model. Option C. Block-based file access. Option D. Role-based access control. The correct answer is option B.